Hello. This is just a quick video. I'm not going to cover every single thing about parts of costs or links or rest of SEO stuff you need to get. But if we were to go back in past, like 10 years ago, it would be quite plausible for you to basically buy a domain for, say, $5, £5, whatever, and you'd be able to quite easily be able to rank it up for quite a lot of keywords quite fast because it'd be a less competitive market and Google's algorithm was less advanced. So that was quite a common thing people used to do. For example, in the past, quite a lot of people had good success from event blogging. In case you don't know what event blogging is, I'll just give you a quick breakdown of what exactly it was. Basically, you target a different day, a different basically date, a different event, such as Teacher's Day, such as Father's Day, Mother's Day, that kinds of stuff. You basically create a site purely about that event, that time period, that religious ceremony, whatever it may be, and you'll be able to rank quite easy on Google since you could do more low quality or spammy approaches to link building, and Facebook itself would allow you to get free traffic quite easy by setting up a page, a group kind of stuff. So it was quite a popular thing. But that doesn't work anymore. So you can't really do that style of event blog that was used to work well as a whole. If we were now going to try and do, like a site covering like every event in the world, you could do that, but it would also cost a lot of money and it might confuse people, if you're trying to cover like every event in the world, you could do it, but it wouldn't be worthwhile probably compared to past. And with regard to rank to rent, since someone was telling me he had not that much money to invest, but in general, if you're wanting to do, any site, big or small, you have to have money to invest. You've probably heard from different people, hey, I can start a site today and make big money with no money. You can't do it. You need money to make money. And in simple terms, SEO is the same rules. SEO compared to traditional businesses such as grocery shops, forming a bank, and a range of other things, it's basically a fraction of the cost in most cases. You basically just buy your domain, you buy your hosting, or you can get free hosting using like Blogger and other things. But in general, to rank up a site now, you're talking around on the low to medium scale, you're talking about 2,000 to 3,000. Now you might say, hey, I can do it for 1,000. If you can, then cool. But for most people, I would say in general, with including the high costs which have gone up in the SEO community, to rank up a site now, I would say even get up to around, say, for I'm going to say $500 per sales per month, you're talking probably having to spend around $2,000 on, say, links if you're buying links and that kinds of stuff. So if you're going to be doing a sales site now, you have to have some level of money coming in every month, so you can invest in simply backlinks, whether it's guest posts you're getting, PBNs, niche edits, horrible links, or some other types of links. You'll have to have money to make money. If not, SEO is not going to work for you in most cases. And to go into rank to rent as well, a wee bit more, just to make this a bit more easy for you. So, what's the cost to rank up a rank to rent? This, of course, depends on your niche. You have to do always your own research and then work out things the best you can. But I would say now for a simple rank to rent site, unless you're targeting a really uncompetitive thing, but if you're targeting a really uncompetitive niche, then you're probably never going to get clients from it, so it's probably not worth you doing it. Unless it's just basically for practice or to diversify or to maybe see if it works, if that's what you want to do, then cool, go for it. But I would say for a rank to rent in the sort of low to medium competitions, I would take a guess you can probably do it for like 500 to say 1,000 approximately. It could cost you more. Like always, do your research before you try, or pay someone you don't feel comfortable. So it costs you approximately 500 to 1,000 in sort of a low to medium. Now, if you're going to be targeting things, for example, in a more competitive niche, such as an attorney niche, real estate, or something like that, then it would cost you more money. Or say for some reason you were doing rank to rent an insurance niche, that would basically put your costs up by quite a lot in most cases. So, like always, do your research. And if you don't have money or you can't invest, you're probably best not trying it unless it's basically you're doing it for simply for training. Maybe you want to train at it. Maybe you just want to practice if that's what you want to do and go for it. But if you're wanting to try and make money from it, you have to have some level of money. Whether you're targeting a Western country, whether you're targeting an Asian country, an African country, or anywhere else in the world, it doesn't really matter. That's what you have to wear with regard to the costs. The costs themselves still apply if you have limited resources, even if you're the smartest person in the world. If you can't invest in things, then you generally can't make money. And I hope it's helped some people who may be thinking of trying to do is buy a domain or get a free domain. You're going to make it big. In most all cases, that'll, to be honest, probably never happen to you because of how Google's algorithm works now, and generally other search engines. It's almost impossible unless you're already a celebrity or you're very famous, or for some reason you already own a really powerful site. If you do and you can, but in most cases, you need money to make money. That's basic covered. Hope it helps you, and have a good Sunday. Bye.